All right, welcome back to the channel. This is My name is Man, and I'm on I Am Sure Sports TV. Well, for those of you who are originally part of the channel, da here goes the big back TV. This is right where we started years ago doing our content, and we thought for this Let's Be Fair podcast would come back right here. This is episode number 5, and we are where it all began. 5 is a very special number. It signals the number of grace. So I'm going to be very gracious today in my discussions. As usual, I have two things to talk about. I know you Jamaican men don't like the number 2 for whatever reason. So we will say "does" or "few" just to suit you. All right. But it is the Let's Be Fair podcast. But before I say anything more, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this content. All right, let's talk about it. So I've been getting messages from Trinidad and Tobago about the partnership in terms of their national coach, where they'll be having Dwight Yorke and Russell Latapy. Apparently, a lot of people are unhappy about this move. And here is the issue they're having. They are saying that Russell Latapy and Dwight Yorke for many years played overseas, and they have not helped in terms of scouting players to play for Trinidad and Tobago, or to help to move players from Trinidad to some of those places that they have played in. What their people are saying is that they have like taken themselves away from Trinidad and Tobago's football for such a long time in terms of helping with youth development. Now all of a sudden, when they have been removed from FIFA administration, had an elections, and things are on board for the team to begin to excel with a lot of young talent that Angus Eve has worked with for so many years. These two guys are stepping in to reap where they have not sown. You understand me? And the people are complaining. Let's be fair. I did say it that Angus Eve has been very good for Trinidad and Tobago football. And maybe they needed to move him. Or sometimes they don't have to replace. We can reconstruct how we manage football. And that would have been good if they did that and they added to the coaching staff Dwight Yorke and Russell Latapy to work alongside Angus Eve and keep him as the head coach. But that is Trinidad and Tobago's business. And I'm a Jamaican, and I don't want them to throw any stones over this side. But they pay a lot of attention to what is happening in Jamaica's football. So we're going to pay a lot of attention to what is happening. And I want to say this where track and field is concerned. Mr. Otto Bolden, why are you saying so much about our athletes? About Elaine is done. Come on, Otto. What about your Trinidad and Tobago athletes? Have they started? Well, here's the thing. They haven't even started. When last have you had a gold medal at the Olympics? Come on now, Mr. Otto Bolden. You had a young child called Brianna Williams, and you said you couldn't bring her any further. Where is her career right now? Step in, Otto, and help her, and leave Elaine alone. She belongs to us, so let us criticize her. Finally, let's talk about the Olympics. I tell you, I love how Mommy Rocket is going on. I have this very, very sneaky feeling that she has been playing Possum all along, and there's a gold medal on the cup. I don't have a crystal ball, but I have discernment. And I think I can see down the road because I have more than 2 eyes. All right. And what does that mean? I believe we will get a medal from Shelly, a medal from the Clayton, and Sasha Lee Forbes will be around 4th or 5th in the women's 100 meters. But I think on the track, the Olympics have started really, really well. Very impressed with Shelly's first run. Very impressed with young Clayton. And also Sasha Lee Forbes did very, very well. I'll also say this, very disappointed with Lamar Diston. I know she complained that she did not have her coach, and she has been complaining, she said, for many, many months now about her having a issue with how she approaches the jump, and should have loved to have had her coach. Somehow the J3s took her coach off the list, and she's upset about that. What I will say, listen, because you did not go through, you should have just left it alone and know the disappointment and know you had a long season, but you're still young and there's a next Olympics to come right in Los Angeles. Imagine getting your first medal there. So let's be fair. You did your best and it just didn't work. All right. Let's be fair. Otto Boland need to leave our athletes alone. And let's be fair. Shelly, could surprise us with a gold medal. Don't call me crazy. But I'm Man, and this is I Am Sure Sports. And thank you for watching another episode of the Let's Be Fair podcast.